Hi, this is Matt Steck with Nasuni. In this video, we're going to talk about connecting to object storage, whether that be public, private, whatever option you choose to go with, and whichever option from the providers selected. So first, you're going to go into the Account tab inside the Nasuni Management Console. Next, you'll come over here to where it says Cloud Credentials on the left, and you'll see there's a couple already listed out here in our little demo lab. But adding a set of credentials is as simple as hitting this drop down. And in many cases, you will have just one option. You'll say, hey, I'm going to be an Azure customer, or I'm going to be an AWS customer, and we will specify that inside of your license. In the case, though, of having multi-clouds, you'll have the ability to have as many as you'd like, and you go ahead and we'll select which one you want. So in the case of S3, what you'd do is you'd go first into really whatever object store you're going to use, whether it be S3, Azure, as you see here, ECS or IBM COS. You'd go into that platform first, and either from an Azure perspective, you'd create a storage account. From an AWS perspective, you'd go in and you would set up a group or an account for Nasuni, if you will, a user. And I come in here, I give this a friendly name. So I would call this AWS. Maybe I want to call it a region or something specific to identify which region I'm using. And then I would provide the access key, basically the username that was created. The secret access key is the password. It will connect to S3 at Amazon AWS. And then you come down and select all of the associated filers that you want to be able to connect and talk to that storage account and save those credentials. The same would be true if I were going to use something like ECS or the IBM COS there. Azure is slightly different because you're going to go in and you're going to create that storage account. So rather than creating a user, you're actually going to build the storage account and then come in here and you would apply that globally unique account name that you've named that storage account, the access key provided, and then all the other processes are the same. Just select the filers, configure, and hit save. And that would be it. Thanks for joining. We'll see you next time.